Morning, children. I hope you all might be safe and secure at your homes, enjoying a quality time with your family. And at the same time, please take precautions against COVID 19. Okay, and use sanitizers, mask, and eat healthy to boost your immune system. And at the same time, love your family, love your parents, respect them, and listen to them. Study also. Clear? Now, let's move to the next chapter in GK, that is chapter number 12. Now, in chapter number 12, we shall discuss today about different types of snakes. As you can see, the snakes are reptiles. They have dry, scaly skins. There are around 3000 species of snakes. Okay, तरह तरह के snakes होते हैं. Types of snakes कितने हैं? तो 3000 types of snakes. All of them are carnivores. Carnivores means they feed on flesh. Understood? They feed on animals. Although they have no legs, they can move quickly to chase their prey. We all know that they crawl, isn't it? So, let's discuss the different types of snakes. So, the first type of snake is, you can see, this is green in color, okay, and its name is boomslang. It climbs up acacia trees and this snatches baby weaver birds out of their nest and swallows them. It also takes the eggs from the nest. So you can see how it's looking green in appearance, isn't it? Creepy creature. Now, next we have constrictors. Now, what are these? What kind of snakes are these, children? These kinds of snakes, they kill their victims by coiling around them. You can see how it has coiled itself around a rat. Okay, and they squeeze them to death. And so these type of snakes are termed as constrictors. And they are not poisonous, but they are often very large. They include pythons, anacondas, and boas. So these all are constrictors. Okay. Now, let's move to the third kind of snake, that is the fanged cobra. This cobra has got fangs. What are fangs, children? Fangs are long, sharp tooth of a snake. You can see these two. Okay. So it's called as fang. Okay, so cobra has got fangs. And what does cobra do? It can raise a hood of skin. So you can just see hood क्या होता है. जैसे रिक्शे में हम लोग हुड लगाते हैं ना, रिक्शा मैन जो है वो हुड लगा देता है ताकि हम पे सनरेज ना हो, सनरेज ना पड़े. तो जो स्नेक है ये, तो व्हेन इट फील्स दैट it is threatened या उसको डर लगता है, तो what does it do? It raises its hood of skin on its neck. You can see how it has raised its skin. Now, next, you all know, we have seen many movies on this, movies based on this snake, and the name of this kind of snake is anaconda. Okay, so anaconda, we all know they live without eating for several days, and what do? They simply swallow their prey. Okay, they do not squeeze, they do not chew or nothing. They just swallow the prey. Now, what is this picture is of boas. Okay, this is again kind of species of just like an anaconda. It also swallows its prey. Now, this is what, children? This is a ball python. Okay, royal python of Africa. And what does it do? It coils itself into a tight ball when it is frightened, just like this. So this means that this ball python is frightened right now, and so it has coiled itself like a ball. Clear? Now, next we have rock python. Can you see how it has coiled itself around the body of a deer? So this rock python coil their bodies around their prey to suffocate them. Okay, in order to suffocate them. And what do? Then they swallow their head first, and they may take hours to swallow a large animal and days to digest it. My God. Can you imagine? They just, first of all, what do? They first of all coil themselves around their prey. Then they start from the head of their prey. First they swallow their head, and then they swallow a large animal. They take hours, घंटों लग जाते हैं इनको निगलने में. और फिर डाइजेस्ट कितने दिन में होता है? तो बहुत दिन में होता है. इनका जो फूड जो है बहुत दिन लगता है डाइजेस्ट होने में. Now second we have rattlesnake. Okay, rattlesnake has got a small pit that contains heat sensors, and this also has got a rattle sort of thing. You can see here rattle sort of thing at the end of its tail, so that it gives warning when it goes near to its prey. The rattle kind of structure at the end of the tail gives warning to its prey that this snake is coming towards its prey. Now next we have milk snake. Okay, so this kind of snake is harmless. And whom do they resemble? They resemble just like poisonous coral snake. This snake is poisonous, but this snake is not poisonous. You can just see the pattern is, if you don't see it properly, though, you'll get confused between milk snake and the poisonous coral snake. Poisonous coral snake is very poisonous. Understood? Now let's come to the chapter. So we have anacondas, boas, rock pythons, ball python, fanged cobra, constrictors, boomslang, anacondas, rattlesnakes, fangs, milk snakes, vertebrates, spines, swallow, eyesight. So these are the options. You have to fill each option in each blank. Okay, and let's do it. So before that, please hold a pencil so that you can fill it with me. So let's come to the very first question. Some snakes have poisonous dash when they bite. Poison runs down into the wound through grooves in the fangs. So what do some snakes have, children? Some snakes have poisonous fangs. 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 Now come to the second question, that is, a dash snake climbs up acacia trees, snatches baby weaver birds out of their nest and swallows them. It also takes the eggs from the nest. Okay, so the answer will be boomslang. Okay, so boomslang climbs up the acacia trees, snatches baby weaver birds out of their nest and swallow them. Now, the spelling of boomslang will be BOOMSLANG. Please focus on the pronunciations, children. Do not, if you're sitting at home, just do not, degrade your pronunciations. Now let's come to the third question. Some snakes kill their victims by coiling round them and squeezing them to death. Some such snakes are called dash. They are not poisonous, but they are often very large. They include pythons, anacondas, and boas. So I already told you that these type of snakes, the types of snakes which kill their victims by coiling round them and squeezing them to death. So these type of snakes are termed as constrictors. What are these termed as? These are termed as constrictors. CONSTRICTORS. So these types of snakes are termed as constrictors. Now come to the fourth question, that is, the dash is one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Okay, so बहुत कौन सा ऐसा snake है जो बहुत ही dangerous है? Okay, so the answer, it can raise a hood of skin on its neck when it feels threatened. जब इसको लगता है कि बहुत डरा हुआ है, ओके, तो अपने आप को बचाने के लिए what does it do? It raises its hood of skin. तो ऐसा कौन करता है? We have already discussed right now. So the answer will be fanged cobra. Fanged, fanged. Cobra, Cobra. Now let's come to the fifth question. Pythons dash and dash can live without eating for several days. Okay, so pythons, anacondas and boas. Anacondas. Anacondas. We already know, we have already seen so many parts of anacondas, isn't it? If you have not seen, please see it. It's very, very interesting. Pythons, anacondas and boas. Boas. Now come to question number 6. Pythons, anacondas and boas usually dash their prey whole. What do? They swallow, isn't it? So the answer will be swallow. निगल जाते हैं. SWALLOW. Swallow. Now come to question number 7. Unlike other species of snakes, female dash give birth to their young ones. बाकी सब स्नेक्स के स्पीशीज की तरह फीमेल, कौन सी फीमेल? तो फीमेल बोआज, BOAS, गिव बर्थ टू द यंग वंस. बाकी सारे स्नेक्स जो है वो एग्स देते हैं. वी ऑल नो, इजंट इट? मैमल्स जो है वो बर्थ देते हैं बेबीज को. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? बट नॉट द स्नेक. स्नेक्स आर नॉट मैमल्स, बट यहाँ पे ओनली फीमेल बोआज जो है, व्हाट डू? दे गिव बर्थ टू द यंग वंस. Now, come to question number 8. Dash pass most of the time in swampy ground or shallow water. They lie in wait for their prey to come and drink water. So, question number 8 will be anacondas. Anacondas pass most of the time in swampy ground or shallow water. So, I have already told you the spelling of anaconda. Write it. ANACONDAS. Anacondas. Okay. Now come to question number 9. The royal python of Africa is also called the dash because it coils itself into a tight ball when frightened. जब वो बहुत डर जाता है तो अपने आप को कैसे कॉयल कर लेता है? टाइट बॉल की तरह कॉयल कर लेता है. So as the action suggests, the name will be ball python. BALL, ball, PYTHON, ball python. Now come to question number 10. Snakes are the only dash that can bend their spines into any shape. Snakes क्या है? अब snakes are the only vertebrates. VERTEBRATES, vertebrates. Now come to question number 11. Dash coil their bodies around their prey to suffocate them. Then they swallow their head first. They may take hours to swallow a large animal and days to digest it. So the answer of question number 11 will be rock python. Rock python, what do? They coil their body around their prey and then they swallow their head first. They take hours in swallowing the whole body and then many days to digest that food. Okay. Now come to question number 12. On each side of their heads, dash have a small pit that contains heat sensors. These sensors help them sense changes in temperature. So the answer will be rattlesnake. RATTLE, rattle. SNAKE, rattlesnake. Question number 13. Snakes have poor dash and hearing. Hence, they use other ways to locate their prey. Snakes के पास poor क्या होती है? Poor eyesight होती है. तभी when जो snake charmer होता है, जो play करता है, okay, तो we feel that नहीं, snake को सुनाई दे रहा है. Understood? Snake को सुनाई देता है, but it's not like that. ओके, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. वो बस जो है वो स्नेक चार्मर जो है वो उसके अपने बीन को डायरेक्शन में घुमाता है एंड देन वो स्नेक जो है वो उस बीन की डायरेक्शन, बीन को देखकर वो ऐसे अपनी हेड को मूव करता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो स्नेक्स हैव गॉट पुअर आई साइट. आंसर विल बी आई साइट. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Egg eating snakes swallow whole eggs. A row of sharp dash in the snake's throat pierces the shell. So sharp what? Sharp spines. spines. Come to question number 15, children. Dash are harmless. They resemble the poisonous coral snakes. Most enemies cannot differentiate between these two and hence they leave it alone. They leave it alone. So कौन सा snake harmless होता है? I already told you right now. Milk snake. The milk snake or poisonous coral snake. Okay, so people get confused between milk snake and poisonous coral snake. जबकि मिल्क स्नेक है वो हार्मलेस होता है. इट डज नॉट डू एनीथिंग. उससे कोई हमें हार्म नहीं है. लेकिन जो पॉइजनस कोरल स्नेक है दैट इज़ वेरी पॉइजनस. बहुत ही डेंजरस होता है वो स्नेक. और अक्सर हम लोग धोखा खा जाते हैं और पॉइजनस कोरल स्नेक को मिल्क स्नेक छोड़कर वो समझकर छोड़ देते हैं. एंड देन इन रिटर्न क्या होता है? the people get in danger. So this was all about snakes. I hope the chapter was interesting. I found this chapter very, very interesting as it has given me also a lot of information regarding snakes. So children, go through this chapter, fill the answers and learn it by heart so that you can do well in your examination. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep learning, keep studying. Thank you so much.